Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a fun fold card using the Flowering Tulips bundle from the Spring Mini Catalog. This bundle is gorgeous with a beautiful collection of sentiments and dies that allow you to create three-dimensional tulips. You can also create a beautiful card just by stamping, which is what we're going to do today. This die set is compatible with the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. The smaller white piece of cardstock is where I'm going to stamp my tulip. I'm going to use this cool die to cut out a couple of shapes from the white cardstock. This creates a negative image, adding texture and interest to my project. I'll also use a scalloped rectangle from Stitched So Sweetly to cut out a piece from my petal pink cardstock. Now I'm going to stamp my tulip using two-step stamping. Two-step stamp sets allow us to use two different colors and really bring the image to life. I'm going to use Poppy Parade and Flirty Flamingo. I'll use Memento Black on the center and Pear Pizzazz for the stem and leaf. Finally, I'll stamp my sentiment on some scrap white cardstock, and I'll cut it out with a die from Layering Circles. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. Embellish with some evening evergreen windowpane ribbon and some brushed brass butterflies. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!